May God's name be glorified. In the Word of God, God has given us many promises. Today, let us read one of them. The Gospel of Matthew, chapter 5, verse 6. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. In this world of unrighteousness, God is telling us that if we hunger and thirst for righteousness, we will become blessed. We become blessed and also we will be satisfied. If we hunger for righteousness, then we will be able to live a righteous life and we will be filled with happiness. If we live a righteous life, there is every chances that we will be persecuted. We will be persecuted by our own dear ones, our own family members, our own church members. But in the 10th verse says, if we are persecuted because of righteousness, then also we are blessed. How can one be blessed when one is persecuted? The word of God says we will be filled and also the kingdom of heaven become ours. Righteousness is the character of God himself. God is righteous. And if we hunger for righteousness, then with the help of God, we will be able to live a righteous life and we will be able to enjoy the fellowship of God. This is a promise for ours. This is so, dear sisters, let us hunger for righteousness so that we will be filled. We will be filled, and also we will be able to enjoy the presence and fellowship of God. The kingdom of heaven become ours. We will be able to live a satisfied and happy life because of the presence of God and because of the fellowship of God. May God's name be glorified.